What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a day of work ahead of us. Alright, so I've done some work already on the Jeep. I've removed the air box. That's where this was. Of course, if you follow me on Instagram, I've removed the power steering pump and removed the lines. Well, mostly. I still have these two bolts to get out, but I can't do that because there's obviously a huge big old radiator hose right smack dab in the way, just right in the way. And I got this bucket set up to catch the coolant. We are going to take the hose out of this connection right here, out of the water pump, because that's the water pump right here, and we're going to drain that fluid. We're going to get this hose out of the way. Hopefully I can just stretch it and move it over here, because I don't want to remove it from the radiator, because that would be too much of a mess. And it's cold out here, and I'm hoping I won't have to be out here for too long. Sorry if there's wind noise. There's wind in the way. Let me lean over. The hood will block the wind. But it's pretty cold out here. I don't want to be out here doing this, but I really want to make some progress on the Jeep so that I can get her up and running on the road again. But there are a few parts that I still need to get. I need to get a new belt, because I said might as well change it while I'm here, and I need a new air filter. So I have been spraying those two bolts down with some rust release penetrant spray for the last couple days. I sprayed them today, that's why they look wet. So hopefully that will allow me to remove the bolts pretty easily. Here's all my tools and stuff. Pull that out. And there's a new radiator cap, the two lines that I need to connect. Here's the new pump. And then I have all my old stuff over here, my radiator fan, the air box, and then all the stuff I need to throw away, like the air filter and the belt. The old oil from my oil change is back here too. And so my Jeep smells like a garage, which is okay, but not really great for guests or passengers or whatever. But we're gonna go ahead and get this job started right now. Alright, so stubby screwdriver. We're gonna remove this radiator hose and drain all this coolant out. Oh, there we go. Alright, so I've replaced the upper radiator hose recently. I might end up doing this one if she doesn't want to move. Ugh, like oil dripping all the way down this thing. Alright, let's see if I can get this hose off the water pump. So I got some fluid coming out. Come on. Man, it's really stuck on there. Oh man. Well. Oh shit, it couldn't be helped, huh? God damn. I should have laid a towel down before I did that. Ugh, look how brown it is. Oh my god, damn. Oh shit. Ugh. Let me pull this pipe up. Ugh. Try and keep some fluid in there. Get this stuff off my hands. Golly, man. This is why I need a garage for shit like this, man. This sucks. Oh my god. That coolant looks horrible, man. Oh my shit, dude. Well, coolant is still draining, but at least the hose is out of the way. Now I've got full access to these nuts right here, which we need to find out what size they are so I can begin taking them off and putting the new ones on. Here we go, going through random tools. Oh my god, it's so much easier to get down there though with the wrenches and shit and just everything. Okay. I have to just go in and do the coin trick. I will be right back. I'm getting a goddamn penny. Okay, we're back. I got pennies. So we're going to try. I can't remember what size it was. That almost works. If it was just a little bit smaller, it would have worked. So 11/16 is what we were just hammering. Was it this one? That's a little bit too much space. Oh, it couldn't have been that one. 11/16 is 5/8 is smaller. Must have been this one. Yeah, it was this one. Oh, okay, I got it on there. Looks like. Penny down for extra support. Maybe now I can break this thing apart. Oh, fucking shit! God damn, that fucking hurt. Oh my god. Oh, fucking shit. Oh. Oh, god damn, dude. Oh, that fucking. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. But that fucking. Oh, that metal piece went all the way up and pushed my whole fucking skin back off my nail. Oh, my. Oh, it fucking hurt. Holy shit. God. Okay, I'm gonna cut this fucking part. It doesn't. Like, my fucking hand is shaking. Do you see that? Holy shit. Compared to the other hand, it's not just cold. That's a pain shake. That fucking hurts. That hurts. That's pain. Holy shit. Oh shit. I'm out here. We're doing this job. Oh my god. Next time I'm gonna put a towel on my hand. There we go. Just pull that out. Looks like it. Yep. There she goes. Oh shit. Oh god damn. That power that shit came out thick as hell. Whatever. I'm gonna wash the Jeep. I'm gonna clean everything up. She's gonna look spick and span, I'm telling you, when I'm done. I was telling my girlfriend yesterday that the process of taking stuff off the Jeep is always harder than putting stuff on. It's always harder than putting stuff on because of how old it is. Alright, I learned from my mistake last time. We were going to put this towel all kinds of around my fucking hand. And we were just going to push with all our might to get this thing loose. But I refuse to get seriously hurt while working on a 20-year-old Jeep. Okay. Here we go. We're going. What am I pushing on? Okay, that's a bunch of wires. I don't want to push on those too much. And that's power steering fluid. I don't want to put my hand in that too much. Yeah, that one was easier. Whew, shit, boy, damn, that was easier. Oh man, why didn't I do that before? By God. Alright, penny. I don't really need it. I need a damn penny. Man, I'm so happy we're getting this shit out. See if I can out by hand now. Oh yeah, I can twist that out by hand. Alright, I learned from last time. You pull it up. I'm gonna try and aim it over the bucket. Yeah. Bad thing is we can't use that coolant anymore. Good thing is I didn't want to reuse that coolant anyway. Y'all look, man. We got them both out the steering knuckle. This whole ordeal was crazy. It's just everything crazy about it is just crazy. Man, damn, that's it. That's it for phase one. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna cut the camera off, and come back out. We'll begin phase two. That's putting on the new parts and getting that all set up, getting ready to bleed the system. But I need to buy power steering fluid, I need to buy more coolant, I need a belt, I need air filter. I got my work and my money cut out for me. And that'll be in the next video. This video has gone on too long. I hurt myself, so I'm going to clean that up and assess the damage. I don't see any blood, so it might not be as bad as I thought. It just really fucking hurt. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel. As always, take care. I gotta find a way to cut the camera with dirty hands.